to show you how to play Heaven by Bryan. If you want the letter notes for that, go to LetterNotePlayer.com. I have them there for you. Let's start with the melody and then we'll come back for the introduction. We're in the key of C and the melody starts on a G. G, G, F, E, 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 D, D, A, C, D, C, D, E, A, C, D, 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 E, D, G, G, F, E, 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 D, D, A, C, D, 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 C, 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 E, E, D, D, A, C, D, 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 C, D, and then we're into the chorus, C, 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 D, D, E, 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 F, G, 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 F, E, C, 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 D, D, E, E, D, C, D, B, and there's a little fill there, little guitar fill, A, G, C, 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 D, D, E, E, F, G, 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 F, E, C, 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 D, D, E, D, C, D, B, another fill, and then we've got a little interlude and then the second verse. Now let's get the introduction. All you're going to play in the right hand is C, C, D, E, C, C, D, E, C, C, D, E, then triplets F, E, D, C, C, D, E, C and G, C, D, E, F, triplets again F, E, C, A. And then we're into the melody. Now for the right hand, or left hand, you're going to have C, C, G, A, G, F, do it again, C, C, G, A, G, now we go to E, F, and then to start the melody we come up with the C. So let's get the introduction. Now we go to the C and we come in with the melody immediately to an A. Then together we go A, C, D, A, B flat in the bass. So your bass is going to go C, A, G, 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 A, C, D, A, B flat, A, G, and then we do it again. Now here it's different because their bass player comes in first. So the bass player comes ahead of the voice there, goes G, A, C, and you hit this A, C, D pickup right there. So you hit that, and it's you're going to have to practice that because if you want to play it that way, you can just go right back to that. You're okay. But their bass player comes in ahead of the voice there and goes G, A, C, D, A. So it'll sound like this. I'll slow it down slow-mo so you can see it. Up to tempo. B flat, A. On two G's there. And then we're into the chorus. Now for the chorus I'm going to go to open fifths in the bass. F, C, G and D, A and E. To get a little harmony, a little false sense of harmony. C and G, F and C. And it ends in G and D. So it'll sound like this. Of course, we have the fifth filled in because we end with a B in the middle there. Your G chord is G, B, D. So all we're leaving out of, we're just leaving the third out of each chord. You can put them in there if you want to. If you like the sound, put them in there. And then we do it again. See, you put that A-G in at the end of each of those phrases. You put a little A-G fill right there at the end of the first phrase. And then at the end of the second phrase. Hold it back, and then the interlude will be just like the beginning, only it won't be as long and it won't be quite as involved. So that's all we'll play. C, C, D, E, C, C, D, E, F, E, C, A. And here we're going to go C in the left hand, A, G, E, F. And we're ready for the second verse. So here is the interlude. Nice sound to end with an F and an A in tenths, and then we come to C. Now here the bass and the vocals are right together, so we'll play them that way. Triplet. Now what I do there is I play this, and in the left hand I go B flat. So the right hand will slightly get ahead of the left hand on there. So the D will come in just before the G because I'm making that A a little bit longer than the right hand C. Give it a little syncopation right there. And then we come back again. Does right there is he sings the A-G right there. He sings oh, and then you come off of that, then F, E, D, D, C, C. And on a G, and then we go right to the chorus. One reason I like the open fifth is because it gives it an airy sense. Like you have a sense of airy, open feeling when he's singing, and that gives it that it just feels that way. Now here he fills with, we have a B, C, B, G, G. Let me play it. That just a little bit longer. Yeah. Now see, here he changes the melody there. He goes up to a G. G, A, G, G, A, G, 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 E. And then we're back to E, F, G, 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 F. Then we're into the thing, into business as usual. And then we're into business as usual. Now here we've got, what we do is we play this little fill, C, D, B, and then he sings, yeah, on a G. It's about a G that he's singing, yeah, and then I fill in with that same thing, C, B, G, D. Now to sequence it, it'll sound like this. Now to get it in sequence, let's get into it. So see, you end that phrase. Wait. B, wait just a second, and then hit that G, wait, and then come down. So there's some little little pauses in there, some slight nuances that you want to catch. Because his G comes in after that. And you want to emphasize that G is separate, so it doesn't want to sound like it's going, because he sings that note. And then you come right off of that with a bridge. So what we're doing there is we've got a little interlude out of that chorus going right into a bridge, and then we'll come back out of it. So we'll get into that, and you can see how it fits and goes right into the bridge. So the bridge, let's get the notes for it so that then I can play it again for you. So when we have that, then we come out with D, E, F, E, D, C, 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 A, G, G, E, G, E, E, F, E, D, C, D. And we're going to, right there, we're going to have a B in the left hand and C, D. So it's going to be the same three notes, but it'll be a different rhythmic feature there. And then we come again in D, F, E, D, C, C. And this one is straight. It's not D, C, C. It's D, F, E, D, C, C. C, C, A, G, 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 D, C. G, E, G, A, G, G, E, G, E, G. And then we've got crushes here. G, 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 A, G, A, G, A. Then we've got A, G, A, E, D, A, E, E, A, G, D, C, B, A, G. There's a little instrumental interlude in there, and that's going to be. And then we come out of that with the tag. So let's get into that bridge. So you're just going to have D, E, F, and then we're going to go down to G, and then A, B, C, D, E, F, this time to C, down to G, G. And I'll show you what comes right after that, because I need to put the right hand with it. So it'll be, I'll go slowly so that you can see it. So both of those bass notes comes after the right hand. Same thing there. G and A. G. Now when we got to this, we're going to go F, G, A, B, C. So it'll sound like. So we'll play A, G, E, D, A. And the A goes with the F and end up to an E. It's just going to end F, G, A, G, G, G. And then the melody changes, but the left hand's going to be just like the chorus. Okay, so the melody's going to change right there. G, A, G, 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 C, E, F, G, and then we're back to normal. So there's just a little change of the melody coming out of that bridge. fill. Now here the melody changes again. You got G, A, G, D, G, 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 E. So it's G, A, G, D, G, 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 E. And then we're back to normal. Okay, so let's start from that riff. Here you're going to go up to a C. So see, you're going up to a C right there. And you're going to keep on going down to the D and then turn back up to the F. Now here I'm going to take it up an octave. For that fill. And then we end with the, stay in that same octave. Slow it down a little bit. And then we're going to put a chord that's going to be, so you're going to have C and G in the left hand, E and C in the right hand. There you have it, Bryan Adams' Heaven. Hope you enjoy playing it.